the way. But we managed to overcome. That's why we are here today. It's not for Winky D alone. It's for everybody who has been supporting the movement. Yeah. So we don't want a situation whereby we always want to honor the dead. Let's honor the living also. Yeah. So we are here tonight. Can I say something? All right. But when the big and I sit down to me